welcome to the Ceasefire Advanced Intelligence Center. Viewers, today the session is about the new improvised Mini, and I am Vishal, and I'm also joined by Pranav Diwan, our technology expert, to talk about the new improvised Mini. So Pranav, while Mini has been around, us since some time now, what we want to today essentially talk about is how is it now different? What are the new capabilities it has acquired? And that's what we will focus on today. So, as a starting point, Mini still remains in its 100 grams, 200 grams, 400 grams, 500 grams, and those five size variants. And we still have the adaptive and the intuitive. Adaptive being this with straight barrel, with no barrel, just the wide on its head, and in the adaptive version with the barrel
extension bar.
Now, what is now getting added into Mini is what we will
talk about. We've not evolved into getting our whole suppression system with Mini into place with, say, one fluoroketone as a agent now.
The only agent.
Only agent now for Mini. And
so this is only FK. Now it's only FK. It's only FK.
Okay. And besides that, it has been always been a requirement from the market and from us, Ceasefire team too, to add on a certain feature which allows the device indicating activation.
Yep.
Okay. Now, keeping that in mind, what we did was we have added a new port, NRV port to our Mini, which is available on the side of your intuitive Mini, and for your adaptivity it is on the head. And if I were to show you, it is protected by cap NRV on top. Okay. Now, what this system allows, Vishal, is to fix a pressure switch. Now, this pressure switch can be screwed on to this system, and of course, by the word switch means that it gives you an on and off action on your system, and connecting it in series to a circuit, we can either get a normal switching action which can go into any of your fire alarm systems, or maybe even response panel, and you can also directly connect a strobe siren. With the help of adapter and a simple circuit.
So that will make the system complete, and the things will come full circle.
Absolutely.
In terms of when this gets activated, there is also an alarm that is happening.
Yes.
There is also a signal that is going out. We say that there is a fire emergency. There's something that has happened, something that needs attention.
Yes.
So it makes the thing complete.
Complete, and especially in the cases where these are installed on small electrical panels, and
Yes.
they are in remote places, or maybe the Mini, like an intuitive one, is hidden within a cabinet.
True.
To have that kind of indication
It's
is very essential.
Yes.
And it allows quicker action. It allows people to respond to that event quickly, take things into control.
Correct.
Maybe even find out if something has happened in a particular enclosure or that kind of thing. Besides this, we have added something new to this Mini. It's a new transportation bracket. Now, this bracket has been developed, keeping in mind that these could be in devices which have a lot of vibration. Maybe a vehicle dashboard, or maybe a washing machine. So this dampers on the new bracket, absorbs all kind of vibrations and keeps the Mini safe and prevents any jerking to cause any of the failure of the bulbs. So this is what is new.
Yeah. So two things. One, the provision of it to be connected through a pressure switch to any third-party devices makes it monitorable, and then the new improvised mounting bracket, which makes it vibration-proof also in high vibration applications.
Yes.
So Pranav, with that, should we show our viewers a small demonstration of how Mini kicks into action and what is the role pressure switch plays in real life scenario?
Sure, Vishal, let's go and look at a demonstration of one of our FKs.
Yep.
Welcome to AI Center for a demonstration of a 100-gram adaptive Mini. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have taken a 0.06 cubic meter enclosure. In this enclosure, we have placed Epton cups at strategic places within it. The purpose of these placement is to show that the mini discharge will fully encompass the enclosure and put out the fire. Post extinguishment of the fire, the pressure switch should send a signal or allow the strobe siren to set on. There will be an alarm and a strobe available from our side. So let's start the demonstration. Light fire. Close door. As the temperature reaches 68 degrees around our bulb, it will disintegrate and the discharge will start. We have activation. Open door. The fire has been totally extinguished. Let's relight the cups to see if there is still fuel in it. So this is a successful demonstration of a 100-gram adaptive mini.